All right, a quick disclaimer. This collection of Google Ads guides is content that I produced from 2018 to 2021. Some of it you can still apply. Some of it is slightly outdated due to interface changes in Google Ads and Google Analytics, and some of it is an archive of how Google Ads worked previously. The first several dozen videos will be released for free on YouTube. The rest you can get instant access to, including the scripts, keyword lists, and files using the link in the description. I'm working on sharing all of my knowledge with you on advanced Google Ads marketing after being in this game for over 12 years. So if you like this content, make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell. Leonidas here, and let's begin. All right, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to take the landing page that we created in a previous video using WordPress, and we're going to add Google Ads landing page tracking to it. So anytime someone clicks on the phone numbers or makes a phone call through the phone numbers on your website, it's tracked in Google Ads as a conversion, or it's even just tracked as a phone call, but not necessarily a conversion. So we're going to look on our website. We're going to make the first type of call conversion where it takes any phone number that's seen on your website and it makes that into a convertible call. We're going to add the verification code for that specific type 1. Then we also have a type 2 where if they click on the phone number, any kind of phone number that you decide to implement on your website, that can also be tracked as a conversion. And we're going to add the event that Google needs to know for it to be considered as a conversion. And then once again, a review. So let's go ahead and start. So welcome back to our website. Here we have the Leonidas renovations. I'll simply do a right click, inspect. So here's the mobile view. So anytime someone clicks on these websites, they come, let's say, for example, they come from Google Ads traffic, and they click on one of these links. All right, and it goes into a phone call, then that's basically tracked as a conversion. Even if they go on this little menu here and select call this number, it'll be tracked as a conversion. So let's go ahead and implement that using Google Ads. So right away, we'll jump right into the conversion menu within Google Ads itself, and we'll select create a conversion, phone calls, and then calls to a phone number on your website. Hit continue. We'll name it web calls. So in this case, actually, we'll just do P23 renovations calls $100, 600 seconds, 10 minutes. All right, so it's a lead. It does have a value to it, $100 a phone call, we'll assume. So once again, this metric is associated with your offer or service. Call length, 600 seconds. Hit create and continue. Install the tag yourself. So we're going to take this code momentarily, and let's go ahead and create a phone snippet as well. So we'll 456 7856 and hit create snippet. So this is our website verification code. This should already be added on your website when you created the website based on the week 0 of tutorials. But we'll go ahead and add this to our website just in case. So we'll select this, right click copy. Here's our WordPress dashboard. We'll go into settings, tracking code manager. And you can see this is the Google Ads web verification code that we've had previously. And there is our code. So you don't have to add it again, but just in case you didn't already have it. So we'll go back, delete that, hit save. We'll get our phone snippet code. And as you can see, added between the head tags within the website. So simply select all that, copy, go back to our WordPress dashboard, add new tracking code, Google Ads, calls tracking code, There we go, and paste. So anytime this phone number is visible somewhere on your website and someone makes a phone call to it, it will be considered as either a phone call or a legit conversion if they go over 600 seconds or 10 minutes, right? So once again, standard code tracking in your WordPress, all pages, and hit save. Now the next type of code that we want to implement is we want to implement an on-click event. So let's say these buttons are a little bit more complicated in code and Google isn't able to detect that these are phone numbers. So what we'll do is we'll actually add an event to the buttons in order to make Google track them as well. So in this case, we're just resaving our previous conversion. And there's that first conversion. We'll do another one. We will go into phone calls. We'll go into clicks on your number on your mobile website. Hit continue. We'll do P23 clicks to call event tracking. Same value for every click. 100. 30 days. That's good to go. Create and continue. Install the tag yourself. So we already have this installed. We simply need to create a new event snippet. So we'll copy all of this. We'll go back to our WordPress dashboard. We'll add a new tracking code. We'll paste this in. We'll do Google Ads click to call verification. Standard. Whole website. And hit save. Now what we want to do is we want to add an on-click event to these phone numbers. So we'll have to go and edit the theme itself. So on your page, you simply go down to the button, select edit button, scroll down to advanced on-click action. And in this case, you simply want to paste this code right here. This is all you need. Return GTag report conversion, and then the phone number that's associated with the button. So 888-456-7856. Hit save changes. Do the same thing with the other one. Return tag. Hit save changes. And update. So the other thing we want to do is we want to add an on-click to the menu itself as well. So we'll go back to our dashboard. And you simply need to download this plugin called Gin Menus. Once it's installed, it'll convert our custom link, which we added to the menu, into being able to have the on-click JavaScript code. Simply paste your code in there as well. Save menu. And that's it. So now we want to verify that our website has the code GTag report conversion code implemented. So we'll go back to our website, do a quick refresh. So we'll right click here, inspect. And you can see the on-click event on the right side here. On-click, return GTag, and that's pretty much good to go. All right, so once again, we saw our website. We added the type 1 create website call conversions. So in that case, it's if that specific number is visible anywhere on the website, then Google Ads converts it into a clickable, trackable phone number. Otherwise, we also added an on-click event type conversions where if, for example, Google's not able to detect the buttons themselves, then we convert them into convertible click-to-call buttons by adding a little piece of code to them. Okay, and all of this is associated with making sure that you are able to track the conversions on your Google Ads account. All right, so Leonidas here. Hope you enjoyed that video, and I will see you in the next video. Salute.